friends, welcome to my channel. Continuing our topic creating forms in HTML. Text area is used to input multiple line text. If you want to allow a visitor to your site to enter more than one line of a text, you should create multiple line text input control using the text area element. Text area tag is a container tag which is used inside form tag. It mainly consists of two attributes, calls and rows. Rows indicates the number of rows and calls indicates the number of calls. Here in this example you can see text area, rows is 5 and calls is 50. The above code will produce a form as shown in the figure. Now the next control is creating buttons with input tag. There are three types of buttons: submit, resend and button that can be specified using the type attribute of the input tag used inside the form. Here in this example, input type equals to submit will create submit button, input type equals to reset will create reset button, and type equals to button will create button. Submit button creates a button that automatically submits a form. Reset button is clicked, then all the form's controls are reset to default state, that is to their initial values. Let's understand it with an example. Here three buttons have been created. Output produced by our code is as shown. As you can see that when you press submit, the value entered Anvita in this case is passed to c1.html as per the URL specified in form tag. When you press reset button, the text box gets cleared, that is reset, and with button nothing happen as we have not specified anything for button. You can also create buttons by using a button tag inside the form. Syntax is similar to input tag. Checkboxes. Checkboxes are used when more than one option is required to be selected. Here in this example, what topics would you like to read about? Home repair, gardening and childcare. So, you can select more than one option for this type of a selection. So, here checkboxes are used. Checkboxes are created using input tag with type attribute set to checkbox. If you put checked attribute inside the input tag of a checkbox, then checked indicates that when the page loads, the checkbox should be selected. Creating radio buttons. Radio buttons are used when only one option is required to be selected. In checkboxes, we can select more than one box, but in radio button, we can select only one option. Here also, checked attribute is used inside input if we want radio button to be automatically selected by default when the page loads. Select box control or a drop down box is used when we have many options available to be selected but only one or two will be selected. A drop down box is created with select and option tag pair, that is these two tags will be used. Consider the following code that creates a drop down box. Here a select tag is used followed by three option tag which includes the value commerce, science and humanities. Inside the option tag whose value is commerce, selected is written, which indicates that it will be automatically selected by default, but you can change the value by selecting it from the drop box. You can use multiple attribute with select tag to select more than one item from the menu. Watch my part 1 and part 2 YouTube channel tutorials or how to create forms in HTML for deeper details. Thank you for watching it. Like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.